Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy pork chops. First, select thick-cut, bone-in chops for the best flavor and juiciness. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels, then season generously with salt, pepper, and your preferred herbs. Let them rest at room temperature for about 20 minutes before cooking. This simple preparation ensures a tender and flavorful result. Next, it's time to get that beautiful crust. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to the hot pan. Sear your pork chops for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they achieve a deep golden brown color. This crucial step builds incredible flavor. After searing, transfer your chops to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Continue cooking until their internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a reliable meat thermometer is key here to ensure they are perfectly cooked and safe to eat. This two-step process guarantees your pork chops are tender and juicy all the way through. Once your chops reach the target temperature, remove them from the oven and transfer them to a cutting board. Tent them loosely with foil and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital as it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Then, serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.